Hey guys, it's Sophie. In today's video, I'm going to be seeing a couple different ways of percentages. So in this one, I have a picture of all the sketch notes, and I'm going to see how much percent of the class has them vertical. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 over 29, because we have 29 kids in the class. And you're going to divide that, which equals 0.24, and then you're going to do times 100, which equals 24. And there's your answer. So 24%. And in this one, I'm going to see how many people of the class do not have chairs. So 22 over 29, you're going to divide that, so we'll use your calculator. That equals 0.76, and then times 100 equals 60. And there's your answer. Okay, in this one, I'm going to see how many days out of all of them do we have band. So let's trace them. 1, 2. So 2 days out of it. So this one's going to be different. It's going to be 2 out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 out of 5 because it's 5 days of the week. So let's do 2 divided by 5. So that equals 0.4. And then you're going to do times 100. And that equals 40. And there's your answer. Thank you for watching, and I hope you learned something new. Bye.